for those of us that have a holy cow, I think we're just going off the rails kind of thing, statistically speaking, where we would get the wiggles is between January and March, not between October and December. They're just statistically very strong. And institutions, instead of having just 1 trillion under management when we had great big dips, they now have 5, 10, and 15 trillion under management. And so the pervasive buy the dip is going to be here until something really dramatic breaks.
Yeah, I think so too.
And so we just, ride the wave and keep an eye on where the fire escape is. So here's Lulu. Lulu is showing an arc into December and then a roll off into the latter part, the first part of the year, which this is the weak quarter, right? So here we have this. The top edge looks like that 200 marker. I love what you're saying right there. And so we've got that statistical analysis there. What I put up for us is the December, expiring in December, the 195, 210, so that's $15 on the upside, and only $10 on the downside. And it's $1.60. Now you might go, gosh, can't we just make it a little butterfly-y and have it even as far as, giving it all the way to 200? And if we do that, here's what we see. If we do a 1 by 2 by 1 that's $10 wide, whoops, it's 65 cents, but the probability of hitting that mark is 5 times lower. The delta for the 200, 210, 220 is only 1.4. And the delta for the 195, 210, 220 is almost 5. And so it's 5 times more likely that this 160 investment pays off than the 200. Now, you might say, yeah, but if I buy 3 times, if I just buy 3 of these, I'll be spending a little bit more than that, and I could make 3 times as much. And if it just moves a little, it could work out. That's totally up to you, but both of those are pretty solid options right there in my mind.
Okay. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it a lot. I especially like that second butterfly.
Yeah. And it's got a lot of, if it wiggles, that call, those calls that you've sold is going to preserve the overall profit of the butterfly, right? If it comes in, if it goes out, whatever.